How to use the Nike Orders and Payment Help Hub to find answers fast. Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step guide so that we can find answers quickly without waiting for a support agent. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can directly go to the Nike Help Center. For that, open up Nike.com and scroll to the bottom of the page. Basically, go to the help section here. Once we go to the help section, we can look out for option called payments and returns, or let's head up to payments and balance here and go over there. Now that will open up this help page here. That will take you to the orders and payment help section hub. So in this hub, we can basically look out for a search bar, something like this. And what we can do is we can just go over and type our issue, for example, track my order or payment decline, something like that, and hit enter. And that will provide you with similar results. So that will filter articles to show the most relevant solutions instantly. That will show common topics with quick links such as order status, payment issues, returns and exchanges, gift cards, shipping and delivery, etc. You can click on a topic that gives step-by-step instructions. And you can just go and view it up. If you if that does not work for you, you can directly contact them. So look out for this contact us option instead, and then just go over and contact them. You can just go over and use support agents available. We can look out for this contact us, chat with us, call, also find a stored option, and that way you can just go over and get help with them. And always have your order number ready. Use keywords for the confirmation email in the search bar and check status updates in your Nike account. First, it's faster than waiting for a response. That's it, everybody. You may follow the steps. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.